Hello guys, this is Aqua's Ignesium. Today I'm going to be doing a basic HTML tutorial. I'm sorry that my audio quality is really bad, but sub and like if you want a better audio quality. So we're going to start off with HTML. I'm using a basic starter template from Khan Academy, and I'm using Notepad++. So let's start off with tags. Doctype tag tells the browser that you're in HTML. HTML tag is built to cover everything. Head tag, well, it's the head part. Meta tag tells what kind of language font you should be using, like whether you're typing in Arabic or something. Title tag, the weird thing at the top of the web page. Body tag, where all the text goes. So we're going to start off by changing our title tag. We're going to call it Alien Passport. Now don't question me on the name, but it's nice. So then we're going to have to put in a heading. So H1, like that. But then we need to end the tag, H1, like that. And right in the middle right here, we type what we want. Bob the Alien's Passport. Yes, don't question me on the name. It's just a name. No questioning. H2. By the way, H stands for heading. H2, heading 2. So we're going to end it, H2, and then go right to the middle and type in full name. So then we're going to go here, and then we're going to make a P tag. The P stands for paragraph, and we're going to type Bob, just for fun. Or actually, we're going to put a space in it, copy it, and I'm going to paste it around. And then to break the sentence, go to a new line, we put the BR break tag. Go on. Ew, that went a little long. BR. We're going to go back and the P tag. So now we save it. I go to the File Explorer. And right here I use Edge Beta. I'm going to open it up. And it'll open here. As you can see, everything that we typed in the HTML, I'm going to split screen. So, this split screen is not working. Okay, there it is. And now, these two pieces are connected. If this says file, you can't share it with your friends. You need to buy a server for that. Now, let's make a list. So, I'm going to go back here. H2 subtitle. There. We're going to call this one Please Sub and Like. So then we're going to go here. UL stands for unordered. OL, ordered list. We're going to use ordered list for this. Now, we're going to put LI, which is a list item. We're going to go throw in a handful of those. LI, OL. And then we're going to put sub, like, comment. So now we've got this. Now you're going to be asking me, this looks too plain, let me save it. Now, when we reload the page, boom. Now, assuming you don't like the Times New Roman font and you want a new font, this is where CSS comes in. We're going to go up here, style, since we're styling the text, and then end it, style. So now here's where it gets complicated. You can't just normally use these HTML tags inside of CSS. This area is CSS, but you can put a selector. So assuming I only want to change everything in the web page, HTML, and then we're going to put curly braces. Go back up, and we put in what we want to edit. For this one, we're going to change the font. So font family, and then put that thing and this thing, and then put in the font. For this one, we're going to be using sans serif. After sans serif, we're going to let's say I'm using a Mac. Macs don't have sans serif pre-installed. You're going to have to download it. And that's a serious inconvenience since aliens use different computers. So we're going to put monospace since most computers have that font. Save it. And then when you reload the page, boom, everything is sans serif. Please sub and like for more coding videos. Comment whether you like this video or not. On my next video will be advanced CSS selectors. This is Aqua Zignesium. Aqua Zignesium out.